Bad books means you have no clue what's coming in or going out. You're walking blindly towards overdrafts. Imagine checking your bank account and seeing $500 when you had $5,000. Small business failures trace back to mismanaged cash flow more than anything else. I'm Jessie Brundage, and this is Jessie Off the Books. And after handling bookkeeping for businesses anywhere earning from $50,000 to $15 million, I can tell you that the number one reason DIY bookkeeping fails isn't what you think. Mistakes cost thousands. From wrong deductions to misallocated expenses, it's not software glitches or math errors. It's something much simpler that's costing you $36,000 a year in lost opportunity. Stay with me because I'm about to show you exactly how to fix this. You might think it's about making clerical errors or not understanding the software, but here's what really trips you up. You don't treat bookkeeping as a regular, consistent business process. And honestly, most of us never got proper training on this stuff. So what really trips you up? It's not one mistake. It's that you never built a system in the first place. Here's what I see over and over. No scheduled time. You ignore it until the backlog floods in. No process checklist. Entering vendors, reconciling, saving receipts. It's hit or miss. False confidence in software automation, but no one's actually reviewing anything. Mixing business and personal accounts. Instant mess. That combination means errors stack and compound. Suddenly, you don't have books. You have a puzzle you can't solve. Here's your simple checklist workflow that'll save you time, money, and headaches. Import banking and credit card transactions. Reconcile and match transactions. Categorize with consistency. A meal is either a business or personal, not both. Save receipts using cloud storage or software. Review profit and loss and cash flow reports. Tag tasks to fix errors and follow up. Backup data to cloud or export files. If you do nothing else, separate your business and personal money today. Open a business checking account and use it for everything business related. This one change prevents 80% of bookkeeping headaches. Upskill or outsource smartly. If you're going to DIY, take a basic course for QuickBooks or Xero. Don't just wing it. But here's what I've discovered. Businesses with outsourced bookkeeping grow about 30% faster. Why? Because you actually make money while someone else manages your books. If you're like most small business owners, you're spending over 20 hours every month wrestling with your books, and you're still not sure if you're making money or heading for disaster. Picture this. It's Sunday night, you're staring at 3 months of receipts stuffed in a shoebox, and you have that sinking feeling in your stomach because you know you should understand where your money went, but you don't. Sound familiar? Here's the brutal truth from score.org. DIY owners spend 20 plus hours every month on bookkeeping. That's 25% of a full work week. That's 2 entire weeks per year sunk into data entry and tax prep panic. What if you spent those hours actually building your client base, launching that product you've been thinking about, or just making money? That $150 an hour you're worth, you're burning $36,000 a year doing work you could pay someone $300 a month to handle. I used to think I could just wing it with QuickBooks and everything would magically organize itself. I was so wrong. Most small business owners don't feel confident handling accounts, and honestly, why would you? This leads to missed deductions, misclassified expenses, and here's the scary part, IRS scrutiny. You can't fake knowing accounting principles without consequences. So what really happens? You do infrequent entries, build up a massive backlog, then panic when tax season hits. Errors pile up, stress goes through the roof, and after tax season, it goes right back on the shelf until next season. The relief you feel knowing your books are clean and your numbers make sense, that's worth every penny. You'll sleep better, make better decisions, and stop dreading tax season. Imagine walking into next tax season with clean books, knowing exactly where you stand financially and actually feeling confident about your numbers. That's what happens when you treat bookkeeping like the business process it is. Do you have a bookkeeping challenge you're dealing with right now? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one, and I'm here to help your business win. Click the link below to book a call with me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.